Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Can we meet today? Can we meet today? It's completely fine. It's completely fine. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. We talked about this. We talked about this. Don't be so sure. Don't be so sure. We'll talk tomorrow. We'll talk tomorrow. I'm waiting outside. I'm waiting outside. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? I agree with you. I agree with you. This isn't working. This isn't working. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. That sounds good. That sounds good. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. Can I ask something? Can I ask something? That's my opinion. That's my opinion. Please clean the table. Please clean the table. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait a bit. I'll think about it. Please update me. Please update me. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That's your decision. That's your decision. I'm getting ready now. I'm getting ready now. Just do your best. Just do your best. That's not necessary. That's not necessary. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I'll manage somehow. I'll manage somehow. Let's end this here. Let's end this here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Let's make a plan. Let's make a plan. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Let's fix this. Let's fix this. It really helped me. It really helped me. He is not available. He is not available. Where do you study? Where do you study? You did very well. You did very well. Let me handle this. Let me handle this. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm listening now. I'm listening now. Let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. I'll explain everything. I'll explain everything. We need to decide. We need to decide. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. That's your choice. That's your choice. Let's try it once. Let's try it once. This is my teacher. This is my teacher. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. What do you think? What do you think? Can I call you? Can I call you? Are you serious? Are you serious? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'll check and reply. I'll check and reply. She will join soon. She will join soon. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We can try again. We can try again. I've sent the file. I've sent the file. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. She knows about it. She knows about it.